once a customer continues to option number 2 of make payments, they will be asked whether they are doing a payment for a transaction they already have a PRN for, or whether they don't have a PRN. And I think for transactions that already have an existing PRN, that journey has been a journey that is very familiar to our customers. So at the end of the day, if you enter the category that doesn't have a PRN, you'll be able to walk through the journey of completing a transaction that doesn't have a PRN, and that's the journey that we've been able to simplify on MoMo. Yeah, as part of the FAQs, or the frequently asked questions, we do know that the 2 channels, *285 will continue to exist alongside the short code of *165 *18#. But all the services that are visible for the customer on both channels will be like for like. If you don't have a PRN, I think previously we had incidences, for example, for driving permits where you had to go, the journey is very long, you had to go to a website first, generate a PRN and come back this side and pay. You don't have to do that anymore. You can initiate for that transaction under the new short code that has been defined. And this is basically for us to drive more payments for these high traffic tax payment categories. As part of the clarification, I think I did mention that earlier, there are no session fees to dial *165 *18#. You will not need airtime to dial that short code. It will be readily available, and there will be less transaction failures as a result of lack of airtime. But the journey has also been simplified because we do believe that *165 *18# is *165#. The official mobile money short code is a short code that is very familiar to the masses, and therefore we believe that we will be able to drive more inclusivity when we enable all the services on that journey. Thank you very much for listening to me. That's how simple the journey is for paying the new taxes for the enhancements that have been done. Thank you very much.